Hi everyone, this is my Project 2 Ultimate Asteroid Tactical Control game for my Introduction to Game Programming class at UAT. First, I'm going to be going over my designer-friendly features. So, I will open up my Unity page. Okay. So, here on my player, my designer-friendly features are my speed. So, if you look over here, I have my ship controller script, and then I have speed. It's set at 0.1 right now, but as you can see, the player can, or the designer can change this. I'm going to set it back. And then down here I have the fire rate for which we fire the bullets, and then also I have my player rotation speed at 90. And that can be changed by the designer. Then on my game manager, I have my spawn. I have my enemy ship speed that can be changed by the designer. I have the enemy ship rotation speed, which can be changed by the designer. I have the lives that can be changed by the designer. I also have score on there just in case, more for like debugging, but that you can change that as well. I also have some of these as public, just so like when I was debugging, so like asteroids in the field, you can change that, and that is for like when I was trying to get it to make sure that it wasn't spawning more, that it was spawning things when it reached a certain number. And then the spawn location number, this is randomly generated. You can actually change this. And then down here I have a random number generator low number and a random generator high number. And then you can change this around, so it'll give you a different like chance on getting specific like large asteroids out, or like enemy ships, things like that. Alright, on my bullet, I have my bullet mover script here. You can find the speed for the bullet, and you can change this as well. Set that back to 10. Is there anything else that I need to go over? Right, so then I also have, let's see, the player rotates, bullet moves, player moves, asteroids move, speeds. Alright, I don't know if I went over that. So asteroid move speed is in the game manager. I believe it is not. I think it is on my large asteroid prefab. Okay. So here I have a script. Large asteroid speed is 0.2, small asteroid speed is 0.1, and then this script is on both the large asteroid and the small asteroid. And the designer can actually play with these as well and change them. The last thing is the spawn points from which the asteroids can spawn are empty game objects that can be added to a list in the inspector. I actually do have this on my game manager. So I have spawn 1, 2, 3, 4, and then I have the actual spawn points, or this asteroid spawn points game object. It's an empty object. These spawn points here. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, and then I also have like where it's located. So this one is top left, bottom left. And you could put in some more game objects for spawn points, and then all you would have to do is go to the game manager and drag it in over here. Okay, so that is all of my designer-friendly features. So now I'm going to go through the gameplay. I'm going to actually show you the game. Alright, so the first thing is that the player starts at the center of the screen. It's just so we can move back and forth between them. Here we go. So here we are. Here's my my guy. He moves. When he goes forward, or W, he moves that way. If you press D or right arrow, he rotates. A or left arrow, he rotates. So you can see that when you press spacebar, he shoots. So we shoot one of these asteroids, maybe. Bam, there we go. And then you can see that it splits them, and those asteroids move directly at you. place on their spawn point. Okay, and then at some point an enemy ship will appear. But again, it's random, so here's how long that will take. So I'm actually going to show you what happened. Oh, there it is. There he is. Okay, so this is our enemy ship. He is designed to be kind of heat-seeking and follow you. His rotation's a little messed up, just based off of like the sprite, but I was really struggling with it. So I'm actually going to allow him to touch me, so you guys can see what happens with that. When he touches me, I respawn at the center of the screen. And then the same thing happens if I hit an asteroid. We're going to play again. Okay, so I'm playing again. So the small asteroids do it, and then like the large asteroids will also cause you to respawn. Let me find one. Go boom. Okay, we'll play that again. Alright. Alright, so when you shoot the asteroids, your bullets delete them, and you gain some score. Over here, you can see the score in the oops. Damn it. You can see the score in the lives up in the top left corner. So right now the score is 3. I've destroyed 3 asteroids, and now it's 4, 5, 6. And it increments with each time each asteroid or enemy you destroy. Oops. Alright, and then I do have the death with dishonor thing going on. So with that, if you go off the screen, you die, you lose a life, you start back at the middle. One of the things that was required was to have the asteroids be deleted and then respawned for Death Before Dishonor, but I felt like that was taking up maybe like too much memory, because you have to destroy and then respawn and destroy and respawn, because they go off the screen quite often, as you can see. So what I did instead of doing that is, was I just reading it, I just have it respawn. Like, I just move it to the other side of the screen. So as it goes off one side, it comes back on to the other. So I'll let this one go. Oh, it killed me. So let it go. It's going to go off the top corner. Oops, that one got me. And when it comes back on, it's come off the bottom corner over. See, there we go. Right here. There it is. So just kind of goes back. And then one of the last things I have is so then I have this. This is the begin screen after you lose. If you hit yes, you've seen me do a few times, it will replay the game. It'll start over. Then if you hit no, which I'll show you in a second, should quit the game. It's not working. Oh, it's not going to quit the game. But it's supposed to quit the game. I think it's not working. And I'm not really for sure why I have the code set up. Like, it should be right. There might be some like little typo in there. Oh, I clicked out. Yeah, let's try it. No, it's not working. Okay, but you're supposed to be able to hit no, and it will quit the application for you. So I have this cursor in here. So we'll just close that. Alright, so what did I have? I had this player starts at the sun screen, yes. The asteroids appear at random spawn points, yes. No more than 3 enemies will exist, true. If a bullet collides an enemy ship, it's destroyed. If an enemy or asteroid collides the player, they're destroyed and they lose life and respawn at the center of the screen. Death Before Dishonor. Oh yes, I need to show you the bullets are destroyed after a designer set number of seconds. Click on the bullet. And here you can see bullet destroy. It's set to 2 seconds. And then we can actually change this. So 0 seconds, 2 seconds. I'm gonna put back to 2. Okay. And then I have a UI on here, and it's best to show it to you in the Unity. So this is one of my above and beyond things. So what happens is I have some of these text elements on here, and they're children of the canvas, which is set to be in the camera space, and I just dragged in the main camera and put it in here. And since the camera doesn't move or anything, and it's not really doing much besides just looking, these are all text elements. They're all put in there, and then so during the gameplay, you'll see the score and the lives. In my code, they're set like at the beginning game. It sets like what you'll see, and then these ones are set to nothing. Like so, in the code, in the beginning game, you'll see that these ones actually have nothing in the quotations. So when you're playing the game, it makes it so you can't see it. But then down here in the end game, you'll see that the score and the lives get set to nothing. And play again text, and these get all set to what you see when you lose, and you get to start. The way that my menu works is after a game is ended for the player, it changes their movement in here. So you'll see if they press right here, left arrow. If you press left arrow or the A key, and then underneath that I have if the game manager instance game ended equals false, then do this movement. This is the rotation movement. Otherwise, do this movement, and this just moves it from one spot to another. So it'll move it to the guess position, and then if you hit for the other side, it just moves it to the other side, which is to the right, which is the no position. Okay, and then when you hit enter, it's not on this one. So under the trigger boxes, if you on trigger stay, if you click enter, then it takes you to the begin game, and it just basically restarts the game for yes. And for no, it's supposed to quit the application, which is not working. I'm not really for sure why. And then I have these as just I have the colliders on there set to trigger, and then I turned off the rendering for the object that I put in there, so you can't see it. Okay, so that is my optional stuff. In the canvas, and I also have this menu where it like replays the game if you want to. I feel like that's it. Yeah, I think so. And besides like it going out, so like when the asteroids leave the screen, it just respawns it. And then that I believe is on my Asteroid prefab. So let's see, Asteroid controller here. So no, it must be my game manager. Oh no, it's on a different one. It is called re-enter screen. So if transform position dot y is greater than 13.2, then transform it to the new y position here. And then same thing if it's the other way, and then if it's the y's are changing. So if it goes off one side of this, like left off the screen, it'll reappear on the right side, or vice versa. Okay, so those are all my extras. Okay, so that's my game. I will be putting it up on my itch.io account if you want to check it out and download it and play. Thank you.